Mayan from Mayani's World, and hope you guys are having a very good day. And if you're new to my channel, I am Mayan. Hello. And don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notifications. Go follow me at all of my social media. Musically is Mayan Superstar, Instagram is Mayan Superstar 9, and Boo account is Mayan Imuna. So let's get straight on with this video. Okay, so this is my bowl of slime ingredients. Oh my gosh. So it has it in a bag, and it has like to make butter slime and stuff. And I tried making it with the Daz clay, and it didn't work. It was just clumpy, and so I said we're gonna order some bottle mats, right? So we have some glue. I don't use Elmer's glue because I'm not in the USA. So we'd use that one. Shaving cream. Sorry for the bad lighting. Shaving cream. Yeah. Even more glue. This is not opened, I think. I think this one is open. Or not this one, the glue. It is, not white glue is. Oh my god. I don't know the name. What is the name called? Clear glue! Brainstorm. Clear glue, but with this contact solution, it does not work. And that's a bummer because I bought it. Baking powder, contact solution. Let's do this! Perfect. Okay, so we have the bowl, kind of messed inside, whatever. I'm just gonna put it on there. I got my spoon and I got my stuff. We're gonna make one slime, we're gonna make fluffy slime. So, we're gonna take this glue and we're gonna put it first. This is the challenge. Can we open? 1 million minutes later. This is how much I put. Now it's time for the little shaving cream. Shake it up, so the hair can hang. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it up. The camera's real people. Shake it up, do-do-do, shake it up. Perfect. Okay. So done with the shaving cream. Time to mix it. Okay. So I'm done mixing. So now when we're done mixing, I'm gonna get baking powder. Baking powder is, you can use also use baking soda, but here there's no baking soda, and baking powder is the same. I just don't like the texture. And then I'm just gonna mix this thing, and don't forget it's gonna be already done. The baking powder is for, it will get more like stretchy and more like, not stiff, but like, that it won't break. Very confusing. Now, a contact solution. You can also use borax with hot water, but your contact solution, if you use contact solution, it has to have boric acid. That is the thing that is going to make it slime. Okay, so you can use REMU or other types, but just read the ingredients first. So I just go eyeballing it. Make sure that there's no hairs before you activate it. Don't worry if it won't be slime right away because you have to mix it first. When you feel like you want to put your hands in, that's the time. It's not really whenever you want. When you like, yeah, but like no. It has to be when the consistency is already slime. It's gonna be like spider webs. Fluffy slime is really like a cloud. Glue and shaving cream. Like if you ever wanted to touch a cloud, wait, see, I found a hair. Looks like a dad hair. It's very short. I'm just gonna put it in here. But when you find a hair, you have to take it out, or else the more hairs, the less stretchy it will be. So, fluffy slime, like if you want to like touch a cloud, or like you always wanted sometimes, like if you're older than me, then let's say in your childhood you wanted to touch a cloud, and you still do, you should like totally shaving cream and glue is the most closest, I think, to touching a cloud, until if you go to skydiving then you touch the cloud. So my hands are nice and clean now. It is still a little bit sticky, so this will be the part. If you want to put beads, it has to be a little bit sticky. But I see something. Operation Slime. Okay, we're good. And but that I'm making fluffy slime, you still want it to not be like. Let's do that. This is super good slime. Slime, you're supposed to be able to stretch it and break it. But when you want to stretch it and it just breaks, it won't work. Because that's not slime. That is super bad slime. And if somebody made slime like that, I've also made slime like that. And I was beginners. Also, everybody has a time in their lives making slime that it just doesn't turn out good. Especially for beginners. I have so much experience in slime, but really nobody knows. Actually, my slime didn't even know my school didn't even know what slime was. I brought slime, and now there's a girl that also brings slime. And everybody really liked my slimes, and I felt really happy. So, and plus it's super easy. No matter where you are, you're going to find these stuff. Unless if your country nobody has contact solution. Or contacts, then I don't know. You can use a borax or Tide. So yeah. Oh, wait. See, it should not be like that. But when you're done, it should be able to take off the slime. It's like the opposite of me. He's cleaning his room. I never clean my room. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start kneading it a little bit more. You can't over borax, they say sometimes, but activator, or else it won't get stretchy. But you also don't want it to have any clumps or bumps or coconuts. Oh, that would be super cool, a coconut slime. Okay, well, I will show you the finish.